Welcome back, my people. D-Mac again. Yes, still in the UK here, and I'm going to give you another beautiful walking tour. And I'm currently on Moseley Street. All right. Okay, so Moseley Police Station right over there. So I'm gonna walk down this road here. This is Moseley Street, right? All the whole area is Moseley. Yes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this walking tour of Moses Street. All right. Yes. So it's not actually not Moseley Street. Is Moseley. Moseley. The whole area is Moseley. Yes. So my apology for that one, because each street have a different name, you know. So yes. And they have a nice pub at the corner here. Yeah. So you're gonna go across right down here. So this area look pretty nice. Yeah. And guys, I'm still with Smile in the City. All right. That's my YouTube friend. Is right before me there, going on there, you know. Yeah. So we're still trading together in UK here. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Posh carrier right here. Look at that. So this sent me a route here.
Come and promote the shop, bro. Huh? You the owner? No. Oh, it's not, you work here? Yeah.
It's Alibaba shop here.
Alright.
Yeah.
This is Ballad Barbers. If you're in Moseley Village and you need yourself a haircut, just come and drop into Ballad Barbers. You get yourself a nice haircut. Yeah?
So this is Moseley Village here, but as I said, you have different streets, you know. Yeah. Moseley Village. Okay, so this is Moseley Village, guys. All right. Yeah. Nice little park right here. But it's beautiful for us. Hey, what's up? You good? Yes. All right. Yeah, yes, 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 yes. Yes. DMAC 4K World Tour. DMAC 4K World Tour on YouTube.
Oh, DMAC.
Yes.
Oh,
All
I
right.
think I've seen you.
Yes, man.
Good.
All right. Have a nice day.
And you.
Yes,
All the
man.
best.
All the best.
See you.
Yes,
Bye.
yes, yes. Yes, all right. Hey. All right. Okay, guys. I'm in Moseley Center right here. And my friend gonna just give me a little history about Moseley. All right.
Yeah, well, Moseley Village is just southeast of Birmingham, Birmingham city centre. And it's a charming and vibrant suburb with deep historical roots. And it's very, very lively character.
Yeah.
It's a rich history, first documented in the Domesday Book of 1086 as Mussolini, meaning most cleaning. The arrival of railway station in 1867, and tram service in the 1880s spurred rapid Victorian and Edwardian development. Grand villas and the art of craft houses crafted by noted architecture. So, you know, it's a little bit of the history, but
Yeah.
it's a very vibrant
Era.
area
Yes.
in Moseley Village, and it's very, very lively,
Yes.
you know?
Okay. So
Yeah, man.
so this street go right up there is all Moseley too, right?
Yes, it's, well, up there you carry on and you go into Alcester.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna give you a little tour on this street, go up and end this one right here. All right. So keep watching, guys. All right, guys. So just gonna give you a little more tour of this area here, and end this one. Yep. The place is clean and nice, though.
Yes, nice.
Yes, very nice. I like it here. You know.
Don't forget, guys, if you're still watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe
Definitely.
to DMAC
4K World Tour.
World Tour.
Yes, and your channel?
Smiler in the city.
Yes, definitely. Come, guys.
Go and give the video a like, guys.
And-
Subscribe and share the video with your friends.
Yes, and support the
And
channel, man.
Support the channel.
Yes. So we're actually coming up to a little neighborhood right here, you know.
Yeah, we're just coming past Moseley Village now, just on the going towards a place called Alcester.
Okay, okay. Mhm. Yeah, some nice flowers over there. All right guys, so I'm gonna end this one right here. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel, and remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see you in the other one. Bye bye for now. All right.